Hey, attorney Jason Waechter here for Ride Free TV, a very special segment. I'm here with my friend I've known for years and years, Ron Finch, Detroit's own legendary bike builder. And I'm gonna just read some of the things people have written about you. Michigan's mysterious motorcycle madman, 1968, Ed Roth. The fabulous Finch, Cycle Guide, 1969. The King of French, Custom Charger, 1973.
This is the bike that I won the prestigious Painter Award from House of Color. I was Artist of the Year in Lake Orion in the spring.
The Finch Effect, Biker Bible, 1976.
And like I say, literally people from all over the world was buying my sculptures.
Easy Rider, huge magazine. Ron Finch is nuts, and I know they mean that in a good way.
I never played a guitar ever, but I always thought it would be really cool just to be a rock star. Na 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 na.
You were chosen to be an inductee in the Hall of Fame. That's Sturgis's Museum Hall of Fame, Motorcycle Hall of Fame. I wanted to congratulate you on that and get your feelings today about that.
I thank you very much. It's a great honor, you know. A lot of people say it was a long time coming. I should have been in there a long time ago, but that's beside the point. I'm there now.
Ron, back in 1973, you were the first motorcycle builder fabricator to have a motorcycle actually in a museum.
That was Detroit Institute of Arts in Detroit, and it was great. Some people didn't think that a kinetic thing as a motorcycle should be in the museum. Other people says, oh, it's great. I mean, it's a sculpture, it's painted, you know,
yeah.
And it's actually got more involved than a painting on the wall. And so they deserve to be in a museum. And then from there, people started to accept motorcycles a little bit more as an art piece rather than just a functional thing to ride down the road.
You are a legendary bike builder, like I keep saying, but you're an artist, and you bring your artistic abilities to bike building.
And I enjoy creating stuff. Every day, at the end of the day, I can usually look back and say, well, that happened, you know?
Right.
And I need that because I just got to keep going, you know?
Right.
I started as a painter. It's just something that I wanted to do. I had a 52 BSA, and I sanded it and prepped it and everything, and this guy painted it, and he charged me what I thought was a lot of money. And so I figure, well, if he can do it, I can do it. So I bought myself a spray gun, and I started spraying, and I was okay at it. And, you know, years of practice, naturally, you get better.
Some artists use paint and clay and that type of thing. What do you use to make your art?
Usually metal.
Okay.
And I've got quite a stockpile down in the basement of metal. And so you go down the aisle to that shelf there, and right about there you get 3 of these, and you go over here and get 2 of those, and you know, and create whatever I'm working on at the time.
But also you take objects that are already in existence and you put them together to create forms and different things.
Right, it's kind of a found art thing, you know, and it's something I really enjoy doing because sometimes you find something that's just the perfect shape for the whatever you're doing, you know.
Ron, how old are you?
I'm 80.
And when you sit here in your shop and you ever get nostalgic and think back, especially, you know, I imagine with these events coming up, you might think back to when you started. What do you think back to?
Well, I don't normally think back. I'm usually, whatever happened back then is beside the point. I'm moving on. I'm accepting the award and I'm thinking about it. This is a Lifetime Achievement Award, right? Well, my life's not over, you know? And I'm not planning on dying anytime soon, so it can't be a lifetime because I got a lot of things to do.